Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn your device in everyday life. And in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the split screen functionality on your Samsung phone. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to hit that bell button so you aren't missing out on any new videos that come out in the future. But let's get started on how to use the split screen functionality on your Samsung phone. So what we have to do first is, let's say if you want to, have Amazon up as a source, right? And then next, let's say we want to use, let's say your calculator as your other choice. And you want, calculator up top and you want Amazon on the bottom here. Well, there is a way to do that. In your Windows button in the bottom here, click on that. And you see these two? They are your most recent apps, which is great, but not necessary. I always do this because, let's say if you press on the calculator icon up here and hold it, it allows you to open split screen view. You have calculator up top and recent applications, Amazon. You have Amazon on the bottom, and you can do calculations and you can browse to Amazon just like that. But if you want to make Amazon bigger, you can actually scroll the middle bar here and move it up, or vice versa, move it down. But then also, let's say I really like how this setup is, and I always want to use this function without having to do the split screen method all the time. Well, here is a shortcut. In the middle three bars in the middle of the screen there, you click on that with your finger. You can add that to your sidebar application right here, which is this. So let's move this to the side and let's add it to our sidebar. And you can see right there, it's already been added. So if you go to the home page, it's gone, but you have the sidebar up. You can go down, and there you have it. But you also want to see, what if I want Amazon up top, but then my calculator on the bottom? You do the same thing, hit the middle icon, and you can hit this vice versa reverse button, and it switches right there for you. So one new feature, one tip that I believe everyone that has an Android phone can utilize as a function. And that's it. It is easy as that. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments down below. I would love to engage with this community, engage with this audience. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell button so you aren't missing out on any new videos that are coming up in the near future. But until next time, I'll see you next week for another brand new video. Peace.